Hello friends, how are you? So welcome to Tulzai Career Academy. Today we are going to discuss on an important topic, how to prepare and crack Kerala PSC AMVI, that is Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector. So first I will introduce myself. I am Akshay Thele, Bachelor's in Mechanical Engineering, PGD Wash, and before that I have completed my diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Also, I am the qualifier of Maharashtra Public Service Commission AMVI examination 2017. Okay, so now let us start with our discussion. Before that, I will request you to subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. So we will discuss one by one, see it completely. So most important things to crack an examination is the syllabus. First of all, we have to discuss the syllabus of an examination. Then we will discuss the other things one by one. So what is the syllabus over here? Module 1 contains general knowledge, current affairs and renaissance in Kerala. So this is the general study type syllabus. This is non-technical syllabus, but we are dealing with the technical syllabus here. You must prepare for the general studies syllabus also, but we have to focus more on technical because 90% weightage is for technical syllabus here. Now module 2 is hydraulics fluid flow, that is next name is fluid mechanics for this subject. Module number 3 is thermal engineering. Then module number 4 is strength of materials. Module number 5 contains boilers, which is a part of thermal engineering. Then module number 6 is engine construction and related systems. The another name for this is IC engines or automobile engines. Then module number 7 contains chassis systems. This is a part of automobile engineering. Then module number 8 contains transmission and electrical systems. So this is also an important part of an automobile system. And module number 9 contains transportation management and modern vehicle technology. We will see one by one. And module number last module, sorry. So next part of the syllabus is module number 9, transportation management and modern vehicle technology. So let us discuss the next procedure for our video. After studying the syllabus, next step to go for the exam pattern, that is pattern of the examination. So it is the most necessary step to understand the demand of the exam. So if we once and we understand the exact demand of that examination, we can easily crack it. Then previous year question papers are also most important to understand the difficulty level of the question and depth of preparation. To which depth we have to go, either we have to go to the GATE level, to the IAS level, or to the simpler level. To decide the depth of the preparation, we should analyze the previous year question paper. These three things are most important. First of all, syllabus, then exam pattern and previous year question paper. The three most mentors in our life to crack any examinations are these three things, that is syllabus, exam pattern and previous year question paper. Then another most important thing is study materials, that is book list. Let us discuss one by one. Study materials for the AMVI examination. Most important and the most basic study material you should choose is Mechanical Engineering Conventional and Objective Type book by R.S. Khurmi and J.K. Gupta. So or Mechanical Engineering for Competitions by R.K. Jain. You have to choose one of these two books only. Only one book from these two as a base material only. I am not saying that this is one sufficient for the AMVI, but it's most important for the revision and to keep up the proper plan of the preparation. This book is most important as a base material. So choose, I will suggest R.S. Khurmi is the best as per my experience. I have used while qualifying the mains 2017 the R.S. Khurmi book. So I will suggest strongly you should use the Mechanical Engineering by R.S. Khurmi and J.K. Gupta as a base material only. But you have to add another reference materials also. We will discuss one by one. So let us discuss the reference materials to be added. Module number 2 is hydraulics fluid flow. The next name is fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. So I have given over the 3 standard books, but you have to use only one reference book in addition with this R.S. Khurmi base material. So choose one out of these 3 books. One is hydraulic fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines by R.K. Bansal. Next one is a textbook of fluid mechanics by engineer R.K. Rajput, and the third one is fluid mechanics by Pearson publication. So I will strongly suggest to use RK Bansal or RK Rajput. RK Bansal is a simpler one, so you can choose RK Bansal for your study. It's a very nice book. So choose just one book so that we have a limited time for the preparation, and it is better to minimize our resources for study. That's why I will suggest to choose only one this book, RK Bansal. Now the book list for the thermal engineering module number 3. Best book I will suggest is a Thermal Engineering by RK Rajput. No doubt, closing your eyes, you can choose RK Rajput Thermal Engineering book. It's the best book for the thermal engineering. Uh, or you can use Thermal Engineering by Rudra Murthy. It's also best book for the thermal engineering. Or you can use Thermal Engineering by R.S. Kurmi and J.K. Gupta. Since I have suggested to use R.S. Kurmi and J.K. Gupta for all the subject as a base material, you should go for the other authors than the R.S. Kurmi and J.K. Gupta for the reference book. As a base material, you can use R.S. Kurmi and J.K. Gupta as shown in the earlier slide. But while choosing the reference material, you should go for the another authors like R.K. Rajput or Rudra Murthy. Then module number 4, that is strength of material. Strength of material, for the strength of material you have to use RK Bansal or RK Rajput or RS Kurmi and JK Gupta. You can use any one of these three books. I will suggest to use RK Bansal book for the strength of material, or there is a local author book called P.H. Jain. You can use, it's the best book for the AMVI preparation. I have referred at the my times, P.H. Jain. So you can use any one of the book, but just use one book in addition with the base material. Then module number 5, boilers. It is a sub bit of thermal engineering, so you can use thermal engineering by R.K. Rajput. Then module number 6, engine construction and related systems. The another name for this book is IC engines or automobile engines. So the book list for this is IC engine by V Ganeshan, RK Rajput and RS Kurmi. So I will suggest to use RK Rajput or V Ganeshan. Both the books are best one. You can choose any one for this. I will suggest V Ganeshan is the best. Now module number 9, transportation management and modern vehicle technology. So I will suggest to use R.B. Gupta is a book for transportation management, and listen carefully, this subject is not covered in any one of the book. You have to search on your side on different search engines, different websites, because no one book of this subject can fulfill your syllabus, fulfill your requirements as per the examination. So I will suggest use multiple resources for this bit only, not other. You can use only one reference book for other subjects, but for this module 9 you can refer multiple resources, because not in a single resources all the syllabus can be covered for this bit only. So use RB Gupta or diploma MSBT power engineering book. Transport management is goodly covered in RB Gupta, so you can use RB Gupta for transport management. Then for the fuel injection system in this chapter, you can use diploma MSBT power engineering or RK Rajput thermal engineering. This is the good book for fuel injection systems, or V Ganeshan also. You can use either RK Rajput or V Ganeshan. One is sufficient. RB Gupta is for transport management, and for fuel injection systems you will use RK Rajput thermal engineering or V Ganeshan thermal engineering. Also diploma MSBT power engineering book is also good, that I have referred at my times. Next things to be referred in this bit is modern vehicle technology, that is motor vehicle act is also important thing, on which 2 to 3 MCQs have been asked over here. So you can use the motor vehicle PDF government rule from the website, and from the central government also and Kerala state government, and you can refer both the documents. Question will be directly asked from these documents. Refer to the motor vehicle act PDF. Then transport management rules of the government, you can find it on the Google search engine, on the websites of the government, transport management rules. Then government websites regarding the AMVI department, that is transport department, different rules, acts or different schemes or different regulations regarding the transportation system come under this rule. So almost 50% question come from the motor vehicle acts, rules, regulation, and 50% from transport management. This will include transport management, then fuel injection systems, pollution control. Pollution control bit is very nicely covered in MSBT diploma, Maharashtra State Board power engineering book. And then RK Rajput for IC engines fuel injection system. V Ganeshan is also good for fuel injection, and I will strongly suggest to refer Motor Vehicle Act PDF, transport rules and government websites. Okay, now one more material is leaving over here. We will suggest this module number 7 and module number 8, chassis system and transportation and electrical system. These two modules are the part of automobile engineering, chassis systems module number 7 and transmission and electrical system. Entirely can be covered in a Kripal Singh book. Kripal Singh, Automobile Engineering by Kripal Singh, entirely covered in these books. And for the electrical systems, you can refer the electrical engineering books also, but not necessary, because all the things are covered in these automobile books of Kripal Singh, chassis system, transportation system, in which all gearbox, all the things like these clutches, all the things are covered. And electrical systems include ignition system, battery, magneto ignitions, then battery ignitions, all kinds of electrical connections are also covered. So use automobile engineering by Kripal Singh for the automobile engineering, and the syllabus for transportation management. Now we will come to the last end of our discussion, which is the most important. You should listen. What are the basic strategies to crack the AMVI examination? You must follow these strategies so that you can 100% crack this examination. It's my word, because I used these strategies during my times, and these are very efficient. First one, I will suggest, reduce the resources as much as possible. Do not increase the resources, because sky is the limit for the resources. Number of resources are available on the website, on the market, in the market. Number of books are available, but the main skill is you have to choose right material and minimize the resources and revise that resources multiple of times. Because rather choosing multiple resources, choose multiple revisions, because revision is most important. One formula is here: study plus no revision is equal to no success. If you have to get success, not only study is sufficient, but you have to revise number of times so that you can get success. Study plus revision is equal to success is the formula for success. So you have to revise. Not only study plus revision also sufficient, you have to do practice as much as possible to improve your accuracy. Otherwise, only studying and only revision will not help you to crack the examination. In the examination hall, you should know the nature of the questions to be asked, nature of the difficulty level, then easiness of the question, hardness of the question, nature of the MCQs to be asked. So for these things you have to practice the question, improve your accuracy. And last but not least, most important thing I will suggest here, without this thing you cannot, 99% guarantee you cannot crack without this exam, without this thing. But if you use these things in your preparation, I will guarantee you 100% you can crack the examination. This is nothing but the mock test series. Mock test series is most important. I will give a little example. When cricketer practices the cricket match, he directly not play in the World Cup, because before that he practices warm-up matches, and during that warm-up matches he studies the different technology, the stress management, time management, ground, then nature of the ground, then ball, bat, all other things regarding the cricket, then various kinds of the bowlers like faster spinners, all the things are studied by him in the warm-up matches, and then he can successfully play in the World Cup. Likewise, we have to do same thing here. Just we have to practice as much as mock test as per the Kerala PCS pattern of the AMVI, not any other examination. Just see the pattern of the Kerala PCS AMVI and then join as much as, I will suggest 20 to 30 mock tests are compulsory, and when you go through these mock tests you will definitely crack AMVI. No one can stop you, because while you practice the mock tests and MCQs, you can easily manage the stress and time during the examination, and you can easily crack it. And no one is going to stop you from attaining your success. You can get succeed and become the AMVI RTO officer. If you like my video, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for listening. Okay, we will come with the more better information in the next videos.